Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add pages and sections on Wix. This is super useful when you're building out your website and need to organize your content properly, whether you're adding a new service page, an about section, or anything else your site needs. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From this menu, click on Website. This takes you to the management area for your actual website where you can make structural changes. On this page, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the website you actually want to add a section and a page to, especially if you manage multiple sites. It's always good to double-check before making changes. Now locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This is the gateway to editing your site's layout and structure. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, look at the left navigation menu and locate the Pages and Menu button, then click on it. You'll be presented with a list of all the pages you currently have in your Wix website. This gives you a complete overview of your site's structure. Now locate the Add Page button on the top part of your pages list and click on it. An Add Page window will appear showing you various options. From here, select the type of template you wish to use on this new page. Wix offers several pre-designed templates for common page types, but if you prefer starting from scratch, you can simply use a blank page by clicking on the plus sign blank page option. This gives you complete creative freedom. Once your page is added, we'll move to adding a section. Locate the Add Section button on the left navigation panel again and click on it. From here, you'll see a list of sections you can add ranging from welcome sections to about, team, and contact type sections. Browse through the list of sections and explore the types of section you can add. Each section type comes with its own layout and design elements. Once you've found the section you want, simply click on it to add it to your page. You can then freely add elements to customize this newly added section, making it fit your brand and content needs perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully added both a new page and a section to your Wix website, giving you more control over how your content is organized and displayed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.